Hello everyone, my name is Parul and our today's topic is trigonometric ratios and identities. We know that trigonometry is very important topic for our syllabus. So whenever you start studying this topic, you need to start with the basics, that is trigonometric ratios. And we know that there are three types of triangle, that are isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle and right triangle. Trigonometry is all about right triangle where one of the interior angle is 90 degree. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics, or we can say that it is a system that helps us to work out missing sides or angles in a right triangle, that is missing sides and angles of a right triangle. Let's first talk about right triangle. Consider a right angle triangle A, B and C, where angle A and angle C are the acute angles, and acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degree. And the right angle is indicated by the little box in the corner, that is angle B, this. The side opposite to right angle, that is angle B, which is the longest side, is called the hypotenuse, that is AC. And angle A and C are the acute angles, and mostly these acute angles are given. So let angle C is given, which is indicated by angle theta. Then the side opposite to angle theta, that is angle C, called the opposite or perpendicular. Then the remaining third side next to or adjacent to theta, called the adjacent or base, that is BC. And there are certain ratios which help us to find the missing angles and sides of a right triangle are as follows. And the ratios are defining with respect to the angle C, that is theta. First trigonometric ratio is sine of angle C, and its formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is sine angle C is theta, perpendicular is AB, upon hypotenuse is AC. Next trigonometric ratio is cosine of angle C, which is equals to base upon hypotenuse, that is cos angle C means cos theta, base is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Then tangent of angle C equals to perpendicular upon base, that is tangent of angle C can be written as tan angle C means theta, perpendicular is AB, upon base is BC. Next is cosecant of angle C, which is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and it is written as cosec angle C is theta, hypotenuse is AC and perpendicular is AB. Then secant of angle C is written as sec angle C is theta, hypotenuse is AC, base is BC. And last one is cotangent of angle C. Cotangent of angle C is equals to base upon perpendicular, base is BC, and cotangent of angle C is written as cot angle C means theta, base is BC and perpendicular is AB. And if trigonometric ratios are indicated with respect to angle A, then theta becomes angle A, then BC, which was the base, become perpendicular because it is opposite to theta, and opposite to theta is perpendicular, and adjacent to theta is base, that is adjacent. So same formula will apply for trigonometric ratios, but sides will interchange. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. More videos will come of science and mathematics.